How could Romualdez have had such influence over him when he was one who held the Marcos name?
Yan na nga binoto ng mga tao si Marcos dahil gusto nila Marcos. Yung hindi pala nila alam, yung magiging hari pala si Romualdez. Di ba?
Ano naging
kaya
hari?
sila talaga disappointed. Because he controlled the purse. Once he controlled the purse and the congressman, yun ang akala niya that he can be the next president. Siyempre, itong isa, dahil ayaw naman gumawa ng trabaho, so he will leave it to everybody. And well, this is his own blood. This is his first cousin who promised him that, we will build this, we will do that. Oh, this congressman will be, we will control them through their budget. Oh, ngayon control kayo, no? Ayaw nyo palitan si Romualdez? Pues, kala nyo, kung hindi nyo siya pinalitan, hindi gaganti sa inyo si BBM? Oh, sige, congressman kayo. Oh, sige, pasahan nyo budget nyo. Pero hindi ko ipaparelease sa DBM secretary. O ano? Sino presidente?
Mababawi pa ba niya?
Siya o ako? Kung ako BBM ang kakampi mo, kahit you don't like me, but I'm very useful, Kung ako ang kakampi mo,